Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to make chili. So let's get started. Okay, I've got 5 cups of water that I'm bringing to a boil here. And I'm going to put in 15 ounces of tomato sauce. And a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I got 3 pounds of meat here browning. 3 grams of ground chuck. Get it brown and then we'll drain it and we'll put the pots together. Yeah, I'm going to put in, this is a cup of onion. You can kind of do that like you want. And it's about to a boil. The meat's still cooking. We're going to drain it and we're going to put them together pretty quick here. Okay, I got it boiling good, so I've turned it down to medium here. Okay, the hamburger's done, so I'm going to put it in. And this chili, it freezes really well when you make a bunch like this. Okay, we're going to use Old Hammett chili seasoning, 9 tablespoons of it. I'm going to mix it with water about up to here, get all the lumps out of it, and then put it in the mixture. After that, we're going to put a can of ranch-style pinto beans. Okay, now I've put some water in here. I'm going to stir it up and then I'll put it in the mixture. May have to do it twice. It's quite a bit. Yeah, we're going to add a little more water. I'm going to drain the pinto beans. Put them in there. If you like it thinner, we can put a little water here, or we can just leave it like this. I'm going to let it simmer for like 30 minutes. Turn it down and let it simmer. Come back.
Okay.
Put the onion in.
Perfect. Okay. 3, 2. Oh my gosh, I've been filming forever.
Okay, our meat's about ready to brown, or ready to take out and start over. Some white looking pinto beans. Could that be Great Northern? I'm a tomato. Oh.